Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching your sequence to the clip and trimming unnecessary handles. This avoids reanalysis later. Once done, drag the warp stabilizer effect onto the clip and allow it to analyze fully. Make sure result is set to smooth motion so Premiere focuses on preserving natural camera movement rather than locking the frame. If analysis stalls, render the clip or increase playback resolution to speed things up. These quick prep steps get you into the smoothing process immediately. Now you refine how Premiere smooths motion. Lower smoothness for subtle correction or raise it for aggressive shake removal. Start around 20–30% and tweak. Next, pick a method. Subspace warp preserves complex motion best, perspective helps rotational issues, and position, scale, rotation avoids excessive warping. Make incremental changes, then let warp stabilizer reanalyze. If you see warping, dial back smoothness or switch methods. These detailed adjustments control the trade-off between stability and natural-looking movement. Finish by rendering the stabilized clip to review motion at full quality. Rendering reveals subtle artifacts you won't see in low-res playback. If you notice wobble or weird geometry, reduce smoothness or switch from subspace warp to position, scale, rotation. That fixes most issues. Once satisfied, nest or copy the stabilized clip and proceed. If problems persist, use manual stabilization with keyframes or cut to alternate shots. And remember, when warp artifacts appear, lowering intensity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.